students, today we see IUPAC naming of alcohols. In IUPAC system, alcohols are named by replacing the terminal E of the corresponding alkane by OL. Replacing the terminal E of the corresponding alkane by OL. For example, CH3OH. It contains only one carbon atom, so the corresponding alkane is methane. So when you write methane, instead of writing E, you have to write OL, methanol. Suppose if it is CH3, CH2OH, you can see two carbon atoms, so the corresponding alkane is ethane. ETHAN. Instead of writing E, you write OL, ethanol. So replacing the terminal E of the corresponding alkane by OL. Now we will see this compound. So in this, you can see the longest chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we have methyl group in the second carbon atom, one here and another one here, and another methyl group in the fourth carbon atom, and OH is on the third carbon atom. So 2, 2, 4 trimethyl. The parent compound is pentane, pentan, 3-ol, because OH group is on the third carbon atom. 2, 4, because second place one methyl group here, second place another methyl group here, and the fourth place another methyl. 2, 4 tri. Tri represents 3 methyl group. Trimethyl. The parent compound is pentane, and the OH group is on the third carbon atom, pentan, 3-ol. Now we'll see this compound. So in this, the longest chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you take this one as CH2, CH3, then also same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So anyway, what will be the chain? The longest chain is heptane, and you can see the OH group is on the second and fourth carbon atom, and ethyl group on the fifth carbon atom. So 5-ethyl, heptane, OH group is on the second and fourth carbon atom. So 2, 4 diol, 5-ethyl heptane, 2, 4 diol. Now we'll see this compound. The longest chain is this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you number from here also, this will get 2 and this will get 3. No change, no difference. The parent compound is butane. OH group is on the second and third carbon atom. So 2, 3 diol. Butane, 2, 3 diol. This compound. This is the parent chain. If you start from here, this will get 1, 2, 3, or this will get 1, 2, 3. No difference. If you start from this end or that end. 1, 2, 3. The parent compound is propane, and OH group is on the first, second, and third carbon atom. Propane. 1, 2, 3 triol. Propane. 1, 2, 3 triol. Okay, this compound. We know benzene ring with OH is phenol. So here the parent compound is phenol, and we start number from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can see second position on methyl group, 2-methyl phenol. 2-methyl phenol. This compound 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4-methyl phenol. 4-methyl phenol. In this compound 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can see methyl group is in the second place as well as on the fifth group. So 2, 5 dimethyl phenol. 2, 5 dimethyl phenol. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It will be 2, 6 dimethyl phenol. So here parent compound is OH. You have to start 1, 2, 3, 4. Nearest number. If you take from here, this will get the longest number, highest number. So you have to start 1, 2, 3, 4. 2-methyl phenol. So here start from here 1, 2, 3, 4. Or if you go like this also 1, 2, 3, 4. No difference. So 4-methyl phenol. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5, 2, second place 1 methyl group, fifth place 1 methyl group. 2, 5 dimethyl phenol. So here 2, 6 dimethyl phenol. Now we will see IUPAC naming of ethers. In IUPAC system, ethers are named as alkoxyalkane. Alkoxyalkane. ALKOXY. Alkoxyalkane. For example, CH3O, CH2, CH3. So in this we have two alkyl groups. One is methyl group, another one is ethyl group. The lower one is changed as alkoxy and the higher one as alkane. So in these two we know that this is the lower one, ethyl group, and this is higher one. So methoxy ethane. Its name is methoxy ethane. Alkoxy alkane. The lower one is taken as alkoxy and the higher one as alkane. Now we will see this compound. So we know that this is the longest chain, 1, 2, 3, and second place you can see one methyl group. So this is methoxy. Where the methoxy group is at first place. So 1 methoxy. We have methyl group in the second carbon atom. So 2 methyl. Parent compound is propane. So 2 methyl propane. In IUPAC system, ethers are named as alkoxy, alkane. The lower one is converted into methoxy, not methoxyl, methoxy. Lower one is alkoxy, and this is in the first place. So 1 methoxy, and this is the longest chain parent compound. In that you can see second place one methyl group. So 2 methyl, and parent compound is propane. 1 methoxy, 2 methyl propane. This compound. So this is the longest chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is ethoxy group. And you can see the ethoxy group is on the second carbon atom. So 2 ethoxy, butane. The parent compound is butane. 2 ethoxy butane. So here, this is the bigger one and this one is the smaller one. So ethoxy benzene. Ethoxy benzene. Ethoxy benzene.